refrigerator a little bit, so I can get myself behind it.
Sure. A little more?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I can even do a little bit better.
No, that's good.
It's good enough.
That's good right there.
All right. So now, you looking for your sandpaper or what?
No. I need a dryer.
Okay. Which dryer do you want to use? The
one with a valve?
Well, they both have valves. You want a fat one or a skinny one? The skinny one looks like it's more like the one that was on there.
More or less.
Okay, I'm going to use a skinny dryer. What do they call this part number? All right, now, one thing you got to do first, Noah, is you got to take the valve out, right, Larry?
No, that one.
Not on this one. On the other, on the service port.
On the service valve, yeah.
On the service valve. So, all right. So, Larry is gonna bend the suction line to fit. And did you already use? Oh, you don't need to use sandpaper on that one.
No.
Because it's copper. Only on the steel. It looks like it could go in a little deeper.
That's to the joint.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, it's got to bend out. That one's steel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the new compressor has larger lines coming out of it, so you're going to crimp them down a little bit, right?
Yep.
Yeah. It looks like it's about once you push it into this slot right there, it looks like it'll fit.
Oh yeah.
Right there. Yeah. It's about the right angle. Okay. We need a little bit more. Yeah, he's gonna give it a little. Because you gotta have it in there right, because it's not gonna hold once you heat it up. All right, now you're gonna squeeze down the. Which one do you want?
That big flat in there.
Okay. It's gonna squeeze it down so that it's. He's kind of like gonna sort of grab a piece of it and pinch it, right?
Yep.
That's what we do on these. We try to grab some of the excess and pinch it like that. See that? That's a nice little trick. So, see how
you always put the pinch towards you because it's the hardest one. That's the one you gotta watch out for.
You gotta seal it.
No, you gotta watch out for it when you weld, because the solder will go inside and leave a leak where you can't see it.
Yep. Leave a leak.
You don't want leaks are your enemy.
Now, if this compressor was the exact fit, which we couldn't get our hands on,
oh, we could,
but it'd be a lot more expensive. But if it was an exact fit compressor, oh, you need the dryer now?
Yeah.
Well, here it is.
It would have been about the exact fit compressor would have been about $130 more.
Right, but then you wouldn't have had to pinch those lines. But
oh, big deal.
Exactly. It's better. We wouldn't have got the job if we had bid it for that. And the other compressor is inferior to this one anyway. I mean, they're not as good as this one. So now Larry's he's gonna What's going on?
I don't know why my tubing cutter was cutting slow.
What's up with it?
Wheels loose.
Huh? The wheel's loose. Oh, okay.
That's why it wasn't cutting right.
Oh, okay. Well, I got my little tubing cutter if you need it.
No, that happens.
The wheel gets loose and they don't cut right.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna start another video here. Turn this one off. Take a look at take a picture of the pinches.